Imagine two friends starting their financial journey. Same job, same salary, same dreams. 15 years later. One is financially comfortable and growing to become rich. And the other? Still struggling month to month. And here's the surprising part. The difference isn't income, intelligence, or luck. It was just one mistake. Today, Barky explains the biggest financial mistake most beginners make, and why it quietly stops people from becoming financially secure. Welcome to Dog Street Finance, where money finally makes sense. No complex finance theories. Just simple, practical, and real-life financial tips that will help you make smarter financial decisions and take control of your life. Let's get into it. Most beginners think investing is about picking the perfect stock, finding the best mutual fund, or timing the market perfectly. And because they don't feel fully ready, they wait to learn more, earn more, or wait for markets to fall, and like this, they never invest. But here's the truth most people don't realize. The biggest investing mistake isn't choosing the wrong investment. It's waiting too long to start. Because time, not timing, is the real secret in investing. And once time is gone, you can't buy it back. Let's understand this through Barky's example. Imagine Barky starts investing $25,000 every month at age 20. Nothing fancy. Just consistent investing in a basket of index funds which gives 14 to 15% returns annually over the long term. Now imagine Barky's friend Doodle. Equally smart and talented. But he delays investing until age 30. Same monthly investment and returns. Just a 10-year delay. And here's what happens. By the age of 45, Barky potentially ends up earning upwards of 6 crores. And Doodle ends up with only 1.5 crores. Such a huge gap only because of one reason. Compounding. Compounding means your money earns returns, and those returns start earning returns. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. The earlier it starts rolling, the bigger it gets. Delay it, and the snowball never grows enough. And this is where many people unknowingly hurt their financial future. Not because they aren't smart and intelligent, but because they aren't disciplined. They fear losing money. They overthink every decision. And wait for the perfect time. But perfect time doesn't exist. Life gets busy. Expenses increase. Responsibilities grow. And before you realize, years have passed. That perfect time to start never comes. And unfortunately, every year you delay investing can cost you far more than you realize. Not just financially, but emotionally too. So don't wait for the perfect time to start investing, it rarely comes. Start early, stay consistent, and let time do its magic. As Warren Buffett famously said, in the short run, the market is a voting machine, but in the long run, it's a weighing machine. Give your investments enough time, and they usually reward patience. If you want finance explained simply, without confusion or unnecessary complexity, subscribe to Dog Street Finance. Barky's got many more real, relatable financial stories coming your way. And trust me, understanding money is one of the best investments you'll ever make.